Most independent musicians get distribution platforms wrong. They assume all services work the same. Ngrooves is one of the top options, and today I'm sharing my honest experience using it. Ngrooves is a music distribution and marketing platform for artists and labels. It allows you to upload tracks, distribute them to Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon, and more, and even handle royalty tracking. Most people get this wrong by using free platforms, only they often lack analytics and marketing support. During my testing, uploading tracks was straightforward, and the dashboard made it easy to track streams and earnings. The platform also offers marketing tools like playlist pitching, social media promotion, and detailed analytics to understand listener demographics. Most people get this wrong by assuming streaming is passive. Ngrooves shows that active marketing can significantly boost streams. Another surprising feature is the global reach. Ngrooves partners with stores and platforms worldwide, so your music can appear in countries you may not have considered. They also provide detailed royalty statements, which is important for tracking income accurately. The downsides? It's a paid service with fees that may not suit artists just starting out, and some features, like marketing support, are limited if you are on a basic plan. But for serious independent artists, the platform can save time and maximize revenue. In conclusion, Ngrooves is a strong choice for musicians who want professional distribution and analytics. Most people get this wrong by using free services without considering the benefits of structured marketing and royalty management. Subscribe for more honest music platform reviews so you can grow your music career effectively.